So today I have to do the extra isolate wall. The wall is on the bottom, the external one, with the Celotex 50mm. Right now I got to put 12mm of the thermal construction board, 12.5mm. I need to do for this the washers and the silver screw for wood. So let's do it. Impact driver and drill. Screw the first one on the joint. The top line I will do from the offcut from this wall, so I don't waste the materials. So I finished this one on the top of the last thing, because I need some offcuts, and right now I need to add the last button on the edge, so I can start with this one. So the first one is important, tomato plum level. Already I make marks to have the full size at the top, so I don't need to make any offcuts. On the ceiling will be some board as well, so already I take it 10mm down to don't have any issues over there. So the first one is fix it. Now the second one, I go to the line or to the end. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice and easy. Okay, so right now I need to fill up with the Celotex these last pieces. Let's go. It's 43, the same like the previously one. No. cut. Does not get size. Use your work knife. Cut once, then cut again. Job done. And we have the top one. Beautiful. And I have a top one. $99.5. 99.5. And another one. 99.5. On the dark board it's better to cut it. Build up. Tak wyszło. Tak. Over there I'm gonna to screw it this, and later I'm gonna to cut the window with the multi-cutter. So nice and quickly. Easy one. Easy.
got to put an alcove in here, mate. I'm sorry? Got to put an alcove in this thing.
Okay.
Don't worry about it yet, mate, we'll just cut it out.
Alright.
When you done on that, how you getting on? Nice one.
So far so good.
No. We're going to have to get him to change this thing, aren't we, I think?
Sorry?
I think we're going to have to get him to change this.
The high?
Yeah, because it's going to be stupid sticking out there, isn't it? Well, we lift that up now, They don't make a decision.
Yeah.
They keep buying stuff and then we've got to sort of fit it in what we've got. Customers, mate.
Yeah, it's happened with the people doesn't understand how it
How
should
it
go.
works. Yeah. But you should wait until it's built before you start buying stuff. He said to me, he said, how long should I get the stuff? I said, well, if it's 2 week lead time, order it when we say.
Yeah.
If it's a 6 week lead time, order it now and then it should be in.
Exactly.
But he just ordered it, it'll turn up. It's not.
So the wall is ready. I just need to make cutout for the window with the multi-tool. Easy peasy, wall is done. Okay, so these walls are ready, and on this one it's gonna to be a shower over here. I need to cut out square, so it's gonna to be a shelf or something. Okay, the access for the shelf is done. Let's go do something more. Okay, what to do it now? So over here I need to build up the wall, stud wall, but I don't know where exactly I have to put the doors. So till this time I will make the framing around the wall. So let's, yeah, let's do it. So the side is top and another side. stud wall is ready. The doors are opposite each other. Okay, so the wall is ready, including 4 starlink from this side.